Welcome back to my channel, everybody. It's Leah with SBRX, and today I'm doing my updated favorites. It's going to be, I think, April and May combined. I did not get to do one last month, and I apologize. It's just been so crazy around here, and I'm sure everybody can relate. So I'm here to do it now. So there's going to be a bunch of different stuff that we get to talk about and review, so I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to talk about, actually I don't have like a visual of, it was a happy accident, but we started doing HelloFresh, and oh my gosh, I love it so much. We actually got one meal plan for Christmas. My mother-in-law got it for us for Christmas, and we absolutely loved it. Well, we tried to like recreate the dish, and while it still tasted good, it just was not exactly the same. Like sprinkled our food with like something magical, because literally it should have tasted the exact same, but it was just so much better. So I went online and I was trying to see like where they get their like, you know, meat from, you know, what spices they used. And then to view the food or the recipes, you actually had to like put your credit card info in, which I was like, okay, fine, I'm not going to check out. It's no big deal. And then like a week later, boom, there was food on my doorstep that I was like, how did this happen? Well, I guess you don't have to check out on HelloFresh, just FYI. If you go there after watching this video and you put your credit card info in so you can view like what they have going on, just know you are automatically now getting charged for meals. But like I said, it was a happy accident because I love it so much now. It's like something to look forward to. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that my husband and I have like a date night every Sunday night, and you know, we do these, you know, pretty nice meals, a little more extravagant meals. So they've kind of just been a little extension of that. So it's been really, really great. So that's the first thing that I've been loving, is my new HelloFresh subscription. That was a definite happy, expensive accident. The next products I'm going to talk about are the Fit Glow Beauty Peach and Eye Bright Concealer. These are the best concealers ever, which they already make their own concealers anyway, which I love. That's what I use in every single video. But since I got these, I have been using these solely. I actually today mixed them together. So that's the only thing I have under my eyes is the Peach and Eye Bright from Fit Glow Beauty. They feel amazing. They go on so creamy. I just pat it in just like I would any other concealer, and they work so well. They don't settle into fine lines. You can set them, you don't have to set them. Like whatever like your routine you like to do with your concealer, they will work with it. And they really just make the under eye look so bright. Like takes a few years off with everything going on. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm aging so quickly. But these have been super helpful. Again, it comes in peach, which is great, of course, for dark circles. I don't know if you can see that really well. Hopefully you can. Great for dark circles. I do spot treat any like blemishes. Great for hiding pigment, anything like that. And then of course the Eye Bright, which really brightens the under eye. It's yellow, it covers darks, it covers purple. So if you have real thin skin and you can kind of see the underlying tissue and veins and blood, then you will love these so much. And then you can still, if you want to put concealer on top of them, you can, but you don't have to. So I definitely wanted to talk about those. They are both amazing. You can obviously just use one, you can use them both, but you'll be so happy. I even said on Instagram, like, the peach is better than the 3-in-1. I am saying it, it is. And once you use this, you won't go back. Okay, the next product I'm going to talk about is the Marc Jacobs Gel Eyeshadow Powder in Melon. So I was actually, when I purchased this, I was expecting a gel. I guess I just overlooked the word powder. So I was a little let down by it, but I got it to use with my Rosa palette, which, oh my gosh, best palette known to man. This palette's amazing. It has everything you need, and it is going to be your go-to summer palette. And we actually just did a blog post on the website. Our esthetician actually did an eye look with it, so you have to check that out. It looks gorgeous. But oh, I just stabbed my powder. So anyway, so I got this just because I was like, oh, it's peachy. It's kind of like my Rosa palette. I can like throw it in my bag, you know, do a quick touch up if I need it. So definitely wasn't gel. It is still really pretty. It's a real light, fine powder. And That's what it looks like. Very peachy. It actually looks just like the peach concealer. Peach this summer is gonna look beautiful on like fake bronzed skin, so I've been loading up on everything peach makeup wise, and pinks of course, so I'm super excited to use all those in a few months. It's just now getting warm here in Ohio. So that's the Marc Jacobs gel eyeshadow powder. Again, really nice. Not what I was expecting, but I still really like it. This is my must-have skincare product at the moment. This is the Vivier TMR, which is their anti-wrinkle serum. So this has been amazing to get me through quarantine, but you know, I've been getting Botox for 10 years, and of course Botox has no effect on your skin or how it looks, but it does help with muscle contraction. So with muscle contraction, that's where, you know, you get those resting lines. So when you're at rest and you see those creases in the forehead, or you see the creases around the eyes, that's because of muscle movement over time. When you stop the muscle movement and, you know, you're applying skincare, you can just get that nice flawless canvas. Well, we obviously have not been getting Botox, but that's totally okay because like this came in the nick of time. We now carry this, the Vivier line, and the Vivier line's amazing. It's pharmaceutical grade. Basically, all of their products are made around vitamin C. They have the purest vitamin C on the market. Super amazing products, which I'll do a completely different video on, but just know this is pharmaceutical grade. It is physician dispensed only, and it is superb, super pure products. But their peptide anti-wrinkle serum, life-saving. So TMR is a unique peptide serum for all skin types. So oily, dry, rosacea, acne, normal. If you're lucky and just have normal skin, this is going to be great for you. It's a unique serum that reduces and prevents the reoccurrence of facial frown lines. So furrow lines, the lines in the middle, or your 11s and the glabella around the eyes and around the lips. This product is really unique, and it helps to stop those lines from happening. So basically, this is your Botox in a bottle. It is sold in clinics to prolong your Botox facial filler effects. So it's really great if you currently get Botox or filler to use this product, or if you want a product with similar effects without the needles, this is the product that you'll want. So the active ingredient in TMR is acetohexapeptide 3. This peptide actually stops the transmission chemical signal in the skin that's responsible for muscle contraction. So if you don't have that muscle contraction, you don't create those resting lines. It not only helps with existing wrinkles that you may have, but it's also going to help prolong you getting wrinkles. So this is not like age inclusive or exclusive. You can use this product in your 20s so that, you know, in your 40s you look better. You can use this in your 40s for existing wrinkles and to prevent future ones. What's really great, of course, about medical grade skincare is that all of these products have been clinically studied. But in their clinical studies, in 30 days, there was already a 27% reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. So again, using this daily all over the face, around the eyes, wherever you're worried about getting those little fine lines or resting lines, you know, just a little bit of this in 30 days, 27% reduction is rather remarkable. Again, that is the Vivier TMR, my current must-have skincare product. So I have been trying so much new hair care lately. So one brand that I have been using and actually really enjoying is Evolvh, and just FYI, I am so picky about hair care because I do not know how to do my hair. So if I actually see a difference in like the way it feels, the way it looks, I get really excited because my hair is like really crazy. Like, take Eco-Luxe ingredients. Their leave-in conditioner I have been loving. I love any type of leave-in conditioner because my hair gets so big and crazy. So I like a leave-in, but I don't want it to feel like sticky or tough. And you leave it in, but you don't have that heavy feeling. Smart color correcting shampoo and conditioner, of course their leave-in conditioner, and their Ultra Flex hairspray, which just smells so nice, and it doesn't leave your hair like super crunchy or hard, and doesn't like weigh my curls down when I do wear it curly. So all of these are really great, and they all smell good. No parabens or alcohol, silicone, platelets. A lot of you, that's super important. I always get asked about like clean hair care, so I did want to mention this brand. It's really great. I'm still using and loving my Olaplex as well, and I have a few other hair care products I'll tell you guys about next month that I've been trying out, but those have all been really nice. So of course I have to include hand sanitizer in this, the Lemieux Aloe Vera and Lemon rinse-free hand wash. It's 70% alcohol. I know a lot of people have been like, oh my gosh, my hands are so dry from using hand sanitizer. And this one, I've been using it non-stop. I've made my husband use it non-stop, and neither of us have dry hands. In fact, they actually feel really, really good. I will link where you can purchase it because it works so well. Gel consistency, and yeah, you just rub it in, you feel good, it's not sticky, has a nice delicate lemony scent. So I'll make sure to link that below. But of course, the most important part, it's 70% alcohol, so you can rest assured that you're safe and clean. Always say I can't do a favorites video without lip products. I have every lip product known to man. My favorite, absolute favorite lipsticks come from Givenchy, and I don't know why I tried, but I tried an Armani lipstick. This is in Rouge, and I'm so sad I don't like it. But it is really pretty. This is what it looks like. So it's so pretty. Of course, it's hot pink. I just love hot pink lipsticks. But it just doesn't have the staying power that Givenchy has, and it doesn't feel as good on the lips. So I wasn't a big fan of that this month, but I did also get Givenchy lip gloss. This is their liquid balm in La Rose Perfecto, and it's so pretty. I'm gonna put it on right now. It just feels so good. It actually says that it's 24 hours of hydration, and I totally believe that. Like, my lips stay hydrated all day long. It's the same hydration that the Ficlo Beauty lip serums gives you, but it's a little thicker. So I just love it. I wanted to try it because I love this color. It's so pretty. And then I also got their blue pink lip balm, and it's really blue. Like the name says. I don't know why I was expecting that blue, but it's so blue. It goes on and turns red. And you guys know how I feel about red on me. I just wish I could pull it off, but I don't know. I just don't feel like it looks good, but it's still really pretty. I was expecting like a blue pink like it said, but anyway, I did try that. I mean, the packaging's gorgeous. I love this one, so I'll link it below for you guys. But of course, you know, I have so many lip products. Probably need to go into like a lip product like anonymous group, but this one is definitely a keeper, so this one I highly recommend. My current must-have fragrance at the moment is the Juliette Has a Gun Vanilla Vibes. It literally smells like vacation. I'm a huge vanilla fan anyway, and this smells like the beach. It smells just so like relaxed, and it's like, take me away. I know we're not going anywhere anytime soon, but this is like my vacation in a bottle. It smells amazing. You can't like overuse this. You know, some fragrances you can spray like twice and you're like, oh my gosh, I overdid it, and then you're just like, it's just too strong the rest of the day. This, like, I will spray this 100 times and it just stays that precise, perfect smell, whether you spray one pump or 100 like me, because I love to do it throughout the day. I love fragrance, I love smelling stuff, and this has been wonderful. So the Vanilla Vibes is amazing. It's definitely more of a spring summer perfume. I was wearing the Lady Vengeance in the winter, but this one is going to be my go-to all summer long because it's just so fresh. It smells like, I don't know, it smells like the beach to me, even though it's vanilla. I think it just really relaxes your soul. So this is my go-to fragrance at the moment, Vanilla Vibes from Juliette Has a Gun. Okay, last but not least, my favorites of the month are absolutely all of you. I just want to send you guys like a quick, I love you so much, thank you. I know it's been like a really weird time for everybody, and you guys have been so amazing, whether it just be like watching my channel, giving me a thumbs up, or, you know, sending me an email like, hey, I love watching your videos, I found you during quarantine, and, you know, just such positive feedback. You know, obviously with, you know, delivery services, UPS, FedEx, USPS, things have been really lost slow down, but everybody for the most part has been so wonderful and understanding while, you know, we wait to find these packages or wait to get them shipped out, and you guys send me all this awesome, wonderful feedback about how much you love your products. So just so you guys know, it has just, oh, getting me all a little choked up. But I just want you guys to know how awesome you guys have been, and it's been so wonderful helping you guys treat like your stressed skin that everybody's experiencing, whether it's, you know, you guys are wearing masks and, you know, we're treating that, or just, you know, rosacea flare-ups because of stress, or, you know, you just want a new skincare routine while you're in quarantine. I have just been loving meeting all of you guys and helping you find your favorite new skincare products that can help you change your skin. So you've been able to, you know, purchase products off of recommendations from our videos or from a consult, and just the follow-up letting us know how happy you are, and the before and after pictures are incredible. So thank you guys so much for allowing us to help you and trusting me with your skin. So thank you guys. You of course are always my favorites, but the last couple months have been just really eye-opening and heartwarming, so thank you. Okay guys, it is time to wrap this favorites video up. If any questions, let me know. Make sure to join our Facebook group if you haven't already. It's Beauty and Skincare Talk, and I just love you all so much. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.